madam and my fellow friends. Today we are going to present about the Sales of Goods Act. First of all, I would like to introduce my team members FARIZAN, SYAFIA, HAJAR and me, YASOTHAI. Firstly, introduction. The transfer of title is a significant legal component of sales of goods and is impossible to discuss without considering the law relating the sale of goods. If someone sells goods, the person has to transfer the title to the goods to the purchaser. Without the transfer, the ownership and delivery the possession to the goods from the seller to buyer. No sales transaction can be complete. Usually, the real owner of the goods can transfer the title to new owner. As per Section 29, if the seller obtains possession of goods under voidable contracts such as coercion, fraud, misrepresentation or undue influence and sells those goods before the voided contract, the buyer will get a good title of the goods. If the goods are possession under voided contract, the seller needs to resign the contract. But if resigning the contract, if guilty party sells goods to the another party who is not at the fault and act in the good fights, then the real owner cannot claim the goods back because of the owner has rightful claim over the goods. Okay, let's see the situation.
Situation 1. Miss Hajar and Miss Safia are cousins. Their late grandparents give Miss Hajar a Mercedes-Benz 190 as a will, and Miss Safia wants to buy the car from her. Miss Hajar refused to sell the car because she wanted to keep the car as a memory.
What? Our late grandfather just give Hajar Mercedes-Benz 190? I need to buy it from her. I will call her right now. Hello Hajar, how are you?
Syafia? Hello Syafia. Oh yeah, I'm good, thank you.
Hajar, I heard that our late grandfather just give you the car Mercedes-Benz 190. So I would like to buy the car from you.
Yes, it's true that our late grandparents gave the Mercedes-Benz to me. But I'm sorry, I can't sell it because I prefer to keep it as a memory.
Hajar, please give me the car. I really need the car.
I'm sorry Syafia, but I still can't sell it to you. But may I know what do you want to do with the car if I sell it to you, since the car is very old?
That is not your concerns. Just give me the car. I will pay you how much you want.
I'm sorry Syafia, but it's not about the money. I'm sorry, but I still can't sell it to you.
I heard right now, your mother is living alone at Kampung Raja. If you do not give me the car, then I will send someone to hurt your mother.
How dare you, Syafia? Please, don't do anything to my mother.
The choice in your hands.
Okay, fine. I agree to sell it.
Because of the threat, Miss Hajar did not have any choice, so she sold the car to Miss Safia. After a few days, Miss Safia sold the car to Miss Yaso. Situation 2. Miss Hajar felt uneasy about her decision, so she tried to search on the internet about her situation.
The woman faced the same situation as me. Oh, there's a law about the contracts formed by coercion. Syafia threatened to hurt my mother. That means coercion happened. So I can reject the contract since the coercion happened. I need to reject the contract.
Situation 3. Miss Hajar found the way to get her car back, so she called Miss Safia.
Hello Syafia. I'm sorry, but I want my car back.
Why do you want your car back? The car is already mine, Hajar.
I have made a research and I found out that I can reject the contract since the contract was formed by coercion. And if I bring this case to the court, I will win the case and you will be charged.
Sorry dear, I already sold the car to my friends. What can you do now? Bye.
How dare you? Okay, fine. I will bring this case to the court.
Situation 4. Miss Hajar called her friend, Mr. Zul, who is a lawyer.
I'm sorry, Miss Hajar. From this situation, I cannot help you. The reason is because, according to Section 4.1 Sale of Goods Act 1957, a contract of sale of goods is where a seller transfer or agree to transfer their property in the good to the buyers for a price. In Miss Hajar and Miss SYAFIA case, the agreement was made where Miss Hajar was afraid that Miss SYAFIA would hurt Miss Hajar's mother at Kampung Raja. After that, Miss Hajar had to give the inheritance car to Miss SYAFIA, hoping that she would not disturb her mother. However, Miss Hajar can file the case in the court on the charge of threatening her to give inheritance car, or Miss SYAFIA will hurt her mother who in the village. But since the agreement was made, Miss Hajar could not bring the case to the court because of Miss SYAFIA already sold it to her friends, Miss Yaso. Before Miss Hajar realized that she makes a wrong decision by giving the car to Miss SYAFIA. So, other than that, in section 29, proof if the seller obtained possession of goods under possession of goods under voidable title in section 19 and section 20 Contract Act before it is rescinded. So in this situation, Miss Yaso already get the goods title because the buyers, which is Miss Yaso, buy it good faith without any notice of the seller defect of title. Otherwise no title of if contract is rescinded.